Welcome to my channel. My name is Jara, and today, you guys, is a Saturday morning. I'm at home doing some lightweight cleaning, a little bit of laundry, just one load of laundry and a little bit of cleaning. And I decided I wanted to come on and talk to my YouTube family. So here I am. This video is going to be a first in two videos that I want to share with you. They're both going to be haul videos. So I'm going to title the videos the number sign and then video 1. This is going to be an Amazon and a Bath and Body Works haul. And then the second video that I want to present to you guys in the same week, so I'm going to try to do 2 videos in 1 week, is going to be titled video number 2, shoe and handbag haul. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, let's start off with Amazon. First one is this collapsible cup. It's made out of silicone. This is it. So let me try to open it up. I should have tested this before I see that. Okay, this is what it looked like. So here's a little band, I guess. Yeah, that's it. And here's the lid. The lid is plastic. It looks like this. Wow. I just put some lotion on my hands. This video is going to be a mess. Okay, so that's why, you guys, you know, when I do unboxings or reveals, and I don't do a lot of unboxings because I like to look at the item myself first so that I can get a better understanding of how the item looks. So anyway, here's the collapsible cup. Look like that. This is a gift. Let me see, how do I open this? What is this? How does this work? Oh, okay, I see. This little tab came off. Okay, that's not important. Alright, y'all see that? This is what the cup looks like. And then to collapse it, I'm assuming I can do this. Yep. And then this will go like that. Okay. So there's that. The next item I want to show you guys is a purse organizer. This is the size medium in the color pink. It looks like this. Comes in 2 pieces. This is a removable insert. Here's the inside of it. Look like this. There's Velcro strips so that you can attach the insert to it. Looks like this. And stick it inside. And then there it goes. And the reason why I wanted this purse organizer is because these are cup holders right here. And sometimes I carry my coffee cup in my handbag. And when it has a cup holder, when the organizer has a cup holder, it just makes it a little safer, a little easier for me to carry it. Okay, so there's that. And then the last Amazon order is this cosmetic pouch right here in the color hot pink. It has a gold zipper on it, and here's the inside of it. It's also pink on the inside, and this is made out of some type of nice quality nylon, you guys. This cosmetic case cost me about, I think maybe $17–18. I thought it was a little pricey, but I really was vibing with this color, y'all. So I purchased it, and to me it's worth it. It is a very nice quality cosmetic case, y'all. It has a little bit of weight on it, but not yeah, there's that. It was made, this is the company. See if I can, y'all see that? So yeah, there's that. And then this purse organizer, it cost about the same as the cosmetic case, about $17-18, somewhere around there. And then the cup was about $9. All right, you guys, that is all for the Amazon items. Now let me show you a few of my Bath and Body Works items. Bath and Body Works had a sale going on around, was it Memorial Day? I think Memorial Day, yes. And then I had some coupons that I wanted to use before they expire. So let me show you what I got. Just a few things. All right, I got this body mist right here. That's the sale was, their full-size body mists were around $5. That's what the sale was. So fragrance mist is this, it's just a sparkling orange spritz. So there's that one. I also got this one. This is called Butterfly. And this has fragrance notes of raspberry nectar, iris petals, and airy vanilla. I really like the way this smells. And this one smells like the name, orange. It's a nice fresh orange scent. Then I also purchased this travel size At the Beach fragrance mist, along with the corresponding body cream. And At the Beach smells very, very tropical and mostly coconutty. And I want to mention real fast, I have At the Beach, I purchased this maybe 2 summers ago. This is the full size and this is the travel size, okay, of the same fragrance. I don't know if it's a thing, but this full size fragrance mist is way stronger than this one. I don't know if that's just a fluke. I don't know if that's the case with all travel size mist, that they're not as strong smelling as the full size. I don't know, but I'm telling you, this smells way stronger than this. Same thing, same scent. I just wanted to mention that. Has anyone else noticed that? I don't know. Okay, moving on. I also have, I picked up the Happy Birthday Fine Fragrance Mist in the travel size, and it smells vanilla-y, cookie, cakey type of smell. And then last but not least, from Bath and Body Works, I've always wanted to try their bar soap, and this is in the fragrance Eucalyptus and Spearmint. So I'll let you guys know in the future whether or not I like this. And then that is all from Bath and Body Works. But don't leave. There's 2 items that I want to show you that I purchased. It's the Dove Restoring Coconut and Cocoa Butter body wash. Looks like this. So this smells, it smells like coconut and cocoa butter. It smells good. I like it. It's yummy. Kind of a warm scent. And then I wanted to try this Dove Invigorating Aloe and Eucalyptus Oil body wash. So yeah, body wash. Alright you guys, that is all for this video. Don't forget to stay tuned to my second video in this haul series, okay? So stick around and I'll talk with you guys next time.